Hello and welcome to another quick update about Ethereum. So if you want a more detailed look into the different scenarios, take a look at my previous video for today. Just want to give you a quick update. So we climbing higher here. This is the bearish scenario where I would expect the price to reverse to the downside below the 1280 level. Yeah, or, well, exactly would be 1280. Would need to reverse to the downside. Otherwise, this particular scenario where we came already down in a wave 1, we're moving up in a wave 2, will get invalidated if we move above 1280. Then there is still another bearish alternative that we can unpack then. That is that WXYXZ scenario that I explained in the previous video. But for now, my focus remains on the downside until we get above 1280. A move above 1280 would seriously make me consider the bullish scenario and make the bullish scenario more likely. And we're going to look at that now. So for now, however, we are moving here higher. Yeah, and we did not, well, yeah, we sort of stopped here at the 78.6% fib level, a key level here of a wave 2 retracement. So we can look at this from a perspective as an ABC. Looking at the target for that, I think we talked about that in the previous video. The 1.618 extension would be 1260. So we haven't reached that yet. That would be the ideal extension for a wave C. So this is what we're currently working on, and that would be the 1260 level, would be even above the 88.7% fib level. So again, it remains the fact that above 1280 we will possibly consider more closely the bullish scenario. Until then, I would be on high alert here that at any point in time we can see a reversal now to the downside. It might have already started here. Yeah. Important would be here that level at 1240. No, sorry, let me just adjust that slightly to 1280. It doesn't make a great difference. Here at 1250, that is the 88.7% fib level. And obviously we should not go above 1280 in the bearish scenario. Still remains the focus here that we will reverse, basically because we just haven't seen bullish price confirmation yet. We are in a range, we've come from a downtrend. This is basically a bear flag or a rectangle pattern out of which we would with a higher likelihood break to the downside. Nevertheless, we want to allow for both options at the moment and need to be understanding that the low could already be in. Yeah, this is then the bullish scenario, but I find that at the moment not as likely. I think we are going to see one more lower low, but you know, as I said before, any low could be the last one now. Yeah, because we have reached from a higher level point of view, higher time frame point of view, we've reached all targets. Yeah, for Ethereum and Bitcoin and all the other coins. So they can at any point in time reverse to the upside, but given the, you know, the macroeconomic situation, but also the price action here, I'm not convinced yet that this is indeed bullish, but we're tracking it. On the bullish scenario, we can assume here, the assumption here in this scenario is that the low was already in. This was a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, here another wave 1 up and a wave 2 down. We can also see this as just 1, 2, and that this here was an A, B, C. This is possible as well. Doesn't make a great difference here in the imminent scenario. Here in the bullish scenario, we expect still the price to rise higher. Yeah, we talked about that in the previous video. From that point of view, here in the bullish scenario, in the bullish wave count, we would expect we are in the wave 5 now. Now, this is a bit of a corrective wave structure here, which would make me consider that maybe wave 4 isn't finished yet. Yeah, so it's told you in the previous video here, we could have had the 1 already finished, the 2 finished, the 3, the 4 because we reached the wave 4 target area, and wave 5 could be starting. Now there's two possibilities. Either wave 4 isn't finished yet because you have a lot of overlaps here. You can see that. It's quite a corrective wave. Or the other possibility is that from the wave 4, we so far have only seen the wave A. This is the B, and the C wave will come lower. Yeah, and this is possible. The wave C should, however, not go below 1160. So a move below 1160 would probably trigger a larger downturn. Very important. Other than that, this could also be the wave 5, like an ending diagonal. Here you can also have overlaps. And if this is the case, we'd be looking here at a target I believe it was in this in this red box, if I remember correctly from the previous video. Yeah, of 1270. So we haven't reached it yet, but we moved up in line with expectations in the last video that we were going to move a little bit higher here, based on this wave count. But at any point now we could reverse to the downside. Yeah, ideal level would be here sort of in this range between 1256 and 1280 to finish this wave up, which will again make it very difficult, because then this wave will get exhausted, this 5-wave move, and we'll probably get a corrective move to the downside again. That would probably be another wave 2. So we have here a wave 1, probably the third wave 1 then, and there will be another wave 2 to the downside. So I don't think that in this particular wave we're already going to break through the 1280. We will see. But if we go above 1280 and get a retest from above, this will unlock levels all the way up to 700. So this would be quite a bullish move, the move above 1280. So if that happens, be on high alert as well. So important levels here above 1280 will fuel more upside, or a move below 1160 will accelerate the downtrend. Okay, so this is currently my update about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.